Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be talking about how we can use the animated container widget in our Flutter application. Okay, so before I continue, I would like to wish all the people watching from India, wish you guys a happy Independence Day, and may Allah bless your country as well. Ameen. Okay, so let's resume the video. Okay, so in this video, you can see I have a stateless widget with my app class, and in this I am returning material app with home animated container demo, which is a stateful widget. Since I have to use set state, we will perform some operations here. Okay guys, so you might have seen in the previous videos we have used the container widget several times, which provides you a variety of properties for its child widgets. Animated container does the same. Okay, so in the body I have applied center widget, and in the child of this center I will use animated container, and I will define its height, width, its border radius, and its color before the build method, and then we will randomly change these values with the help of a floating action button. Okay, so in the scaffold I'll have a floating action button with icon as well, dot extended, and in the on pressed I will use set state. Since we use the stateful widget, we have to use, and I will use set state. Okay, so now let's define height width. For that, I will use height var height equals, let's say we have a default height of 75 pixels, and width is also 75. For its color, I will use var color, and let's say it has a color of blue. And for its border geometry, you can use var, or you can use border radius geometry. Border radius geometry equals border radius dot all radius dot circular. Let's say by default it is 12. Now in the child of center I will use animated container, which has the same property just like you use the container widget. In the color I will provide this color defined above. Duration, let's say we have duration of 1 second. Decoration, box decoration. So I will copy this color property from here to here, since it will give us an error, that's why I did this. And in the border radius I will use this border radius geometry. Okay, so now what's left? Height and width. In the height I will provide this height width for width. Okay, so it is double actually. Okay, first we will run this code and then we'll continue. Okay, after running this code successfully, we get this output. Okay, so upon clicking this floating action button, we will change these properties that we defined above randomly. For that, I will create a random object, random, random. And this requires dart.math library. So for the height and width, I will use width equals random dot next integer, and let's say choose between 250, and since it requires double, so we will convert this to double. I will do it for height 2. Height equals, and for the color, now for the border radius, I will use border radius geometry equals border radius dot circular, and then I will use this random dot next integer dot to double. Now hot reload, and when I click this button, you can see that it is animating to random values. Okay, so this is properly working, guys. So in this video we saw how we can use the animated container with different properties, and we used them as random values. Okay, so that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe this channel, and for more videos please hit that bell icon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.